Hi friends, myself K. Lakshmi, Assistant Professor in the Department of SNH, Chebrolu Engineering College, Class 15, topic Solved Problems on Grating. In this video, I would like to discuss about problems on grating. A grating containing 4000 slits per centimeter is illuminated with a monochromatic light and produces the second order bright line at 30 degrees angle. What is the wavelength of light used? So the given values, the distance between the two slits is indicated by the letter small d. Now here 4000 slits per centimeter, that means 1 by 4000, its value is equal to 0.00025 centimeters, that is 2.5 into 10 power minus 4 centimeters. In meters, 2.5 into 10 power minus 6 meters. As given in the problem, it is in the second order, that is the order is equal to n sine 30 degrees. The n value is 2. So 2 into sine 30 degrees, sine 30 is 1 by 2. Its value is equal to 0.5. As given, the wavelength of the light used is 1 angstrom, that is equal to 10 power minus 10 meters. Formula for this problem is n lambda is equal to d sine theta. As given in the problem, n value is 2 and the distance between the two slits is 2.5 into 10 power minus 6. Sine 30 degrees is 0.5, that is 1 by 2. So 2.5 into 10 power minus 6 into 0.5 is 1.25 into 10 power minus 6. By cross multiplying 2, lambda equal to 1.25 into 10 power minus 6 by 2, that is 0.625 into 10 power minus 6, or in terms of 10 power minus 10, its value is lambda equal to 6250 10 power minus 10. 10 power minus 10 is equal to 1 angstrom. So lambda value, that means the wavelength of the light is equal to 6250 angstroms. That means a grating having 4000 slits per centimeter in a second order bright line 30 degrees angle, the monochromatic light having wavelength is 6250 angstroms. Another problem, a monochromatic light with a wavelength of 2.5 into 10 power minus 7 meters strikes a grating containing 10,000 slits per centimeter. Now determine the angular separation or angular position of the second order bright line. Here in the given problem, the distance between the two slits is d is equal to 1 by n, that means 1 by 10,000 slits per centimeter is equal to 0.0001 centimeter is equal to 1 into 10 power minus 4 centimeter. In meters, it is equal to 1 into 10 power minus 6 meters. As in given the problem, the order is 2. It is indicated by the letter small n. So, n value is equal to 2. Wavelength is indicated by the letter lambda. In the problem, it is given value 2.5 into 10 power minus 7 meters. So, to determine the angular position, that means theta, that is, we have to use the formula, the condition for minimum equation, d sin theta is equal to n lambda. In this case, we have to substitute n value 2, lambda value 2.5 into 10 power minus 7, and the distance between two slits, that is 1 into 10 power minus 6 sin theta. Here we have to find the value of theta. So 2 into 2.5 into 10 power minus 7 is 5 into 10 power minus 7 is equal to 1.1 into 10 power minus 6 sin theta. Now cross multiply the value, then sin theta is equal to 5 into 10 power minus 7 divided by 1 into 10 power minus 6. Therefore, sin theta is equal to 5 into 10 power minus 1. This value is equal to 0.5. Now, sin theta value is equal to 1 by 2 at theta is equal to 30 degrees. That means, in this problem, the angular position of the second order bright line is 30 degrees. Another problem, a monochromatic light of wavelength 5 into 10 power minus 7 meters strikes a grating. Distance between slit and the viewing screen is 2 meters. The distance between third order fringe and the central fringe is 150 centimeters. Determine the distance between the slits. That is, we have to find the value of small d. Now, given data, wavelength lambda is equal to 5 into 10 power minus 7 meters, and the distance between the slit and screen is indicated by the letter small l, which is equal to 2 meters, and the order of the fringe is 3, which is indicated by the letter small n. So n is equal to 3. Now, the third order fringe and the central fringe are at a distance 150 centimeters. Let us, it is indicated by the letter y. So y is equal to 150 centimeters. Now, whenever we do the problem, first of all, we have to change all the values into one system, either in MKS or CGS system. So here all the values are in meters. So we have to change the 150 centimeters into meters. Its value is equal to 1.5 meters. Now, sin theta is equal to nearly equal to tan theta at y by L. So y value is 1.5 and the L value is 2. So it is equal to 0.75, or it can be also written as 75 into 10 power minus 2. Now here we have to use the formula between distance between the slits, that is d sin theta is equal to n lambda. Here sin theta value is 75 into 10 power minus 2. N value is 3, that is the third order. Lambda is the wavelength, that is 5 into 10 power minus 7. So 3 into 5 into 10 power minus 7, that is 15 into 10 power minus 7. So D is equal to 15 into 10 power minus 7 by 75 into 10 power minus 2. Then we get 1 by 5 into 10 power minus 5, that is 0.2 into 10 power minus 5, and D is equal to 2 into 10 power minus 6 meters. That is the distance between two slits for this problem. And the next problem, a monochromatic light of a wavelength 500 nanometers, 1 nanometer is equal to 10 power minus 9 meters. Now it strikes a grating and produces the fourth order bright line at 30 degrees of angle. Now determine the number of slits per centimeter. So the given values are wavelength lambda is equal to 500 into 10 power minus 9 meters, that is equal to 5 into 10 power minus 7 meters. As theta is equal to 30 degrees and the order is 4, that is n equal to 4. Now the distance between two slits d sin theta is equal to n lambda. So here substitute the value of theta. So d into sin 30 degrees is equal to, order is 4 and the wavelength is 5 into 10 power minus 7. Sin 30 degrees is 0.5. It is equal to 20 into 10 power minus 7. Therefore D is equal to 20 into 10 power minus 7 divided by 0.5. So the distance between the slits D is equal to 40 into 10 power minus 7. So it is also equal to 4 into 10 power minus 6 meters. Now here we have to find the number of slits per centimeter. Here we get the distance between the two slits, that is D. So the number of slits per centimeter is equal to the reciprocal of distance between the two slits, that is x is equal to 1 by d. So 1 by d value is 4 into 10 power minus 6 meters. It is equal to 0.25106 per meter, and this equal to 25.102 per centimeter. So 25 into 10 square, so that is equal to 2500 per centimeter. That means it consisting of 2500 slits per centimeter. Another problem. A monochromatic light with wavelength of 500 nanometers, that is 1 nanometer is equal to 10 power minus 9 meters, strikes a grating and produces the second order bright line at an angle 30 degrees. Determine the number of slits per centimeter. Given values in the problem. Wavelength lambda is equal to 500 into 10 power minus 9 meters, that is equal to 5 into 10 power minus 7 meters. Given theta is equal to 30 degrees and the order is second order, so n is equal to 2. Now distance between the two slits is d sin theta is equal to n lambda, so d into sin 30 degrees is equal to 2 into 5 into 10 power minus 7. So sin 30 is 0.5. So d into 0.5 is equal to 10 into 10 power minus 7. So d equal to 10 into 10 power minus 7 divided by 0.5. D is equal to 20 into 10 power minus 7. D is equal to 2 into 10 power minus 6 meters. As we know the relation between number of slits per centimeter, x is equal to 1 by d. So substitute the d value here. 1 by 2 into 10 power minus 6 meters, that is 0.5 point 10 power 6 by 1 meter, that is 0.5 into 10 power 6 by 10 square centimeters. Now 0.5 into 10 power 4 centimeters, it is equal to 5 into 10 cube per centimeters. That means it has 5000 lines per centimeters. These are the solved problems on grating. Thank you.